Hello and welcome to this new lecture. Today we'll complete the interiors of the kitchen by making the cabinets under the kitchen counter slab. We will be using the rectangle and offset tools to make the shapes of the cabinets. Use the rectangle tool to join the empty spaces corner to corner. Leave no empty space, otherwise it won't look good. You can leave some sides as they are, but you'll have to make rectangles on some of them because they may be in plain view. We'll have to hide the stove so that we can complete the side surfaces easily. Then we will unhide the stove again. I just remembered that in the last lecture we couldn't scale the fridge. So if you're facing such a problem with any model, explode it and then regroup it. After that, the issue should be solved and hopefully you'll be able to scale again. Now we must draw the outlines for the cabinets. Note that we won't be going into too much details. Instead, you'll get a basic idea that will help you to make your own designs. I'll use the offset tool to give the front surface an offset of 6 centimeters. Then, I'll divide it into 2 equal parts vertically. Then apply an offset of 3 centimeters on both sides. Divide one of the sides into 2 equal parts by drawing a horizontal line. Apply an offset of 4 centimeters on both sides to complete the outline for the drawers. I'll draw small circles in the middle to represent knobs. Now you get an idea of how to make cabinets and drawers using the most basic tools. Let's proceed on to the next counter. Apply an offset of 6 centimeters to the whole surface. Then divide the right half into 2 equal parts vertically and apply an offset of 3 centimeters to each part. Then divide the left half into 2 equal parts and design it in a similar fashion to the first one. If you get stuck in the model while zooming out, just press the zoom extent icon on the toolbar. On the slab counter, including the sink, we need to separate the portion that contains the sink. We can do that by drawing vertical lines. Note that we have some empty spaces in the place near the sink. We'll fill them up using the rectangle tool. The model is becoming slow because of the amount of geometry present in it. Let's turn off unnecessary tags to make working in the model smoother. You can design the cabinets any way you like. I'll make some small square cabinets on the side of the surface. Apply an offset of 6 centimeters and then apply an offset of 3 centimeters both at the top and at the bottom. I'll add small circles on the sides in place of knobs. Now I'll divide the remaining portion into 2 equal vertical parts after applying an offset of 6 centimeters. Then apply an offset of 3 centimeters on both parts. I'll see if I can make square cabinets at the right part as well. No, it won't look good. I'll make 2 drawers instead. Apply an offset of 6 centimeters first and then divide the space into 2 parts by drawing a horizontal line. Then I'll draw small circles in the middle in place of knobs. We'll go through the same process for the left side of the slab as well. The last portion of the slab can be designed in a similar way. I'll design the right side as drawers, and on the left side I'll make drawers as well as cabinets. To do this, I'll divide the surface into 4 equal parts after applying an offset of 6 centimeters. Then I'll apply an offset of 3 centimeters to each of the 4 surfaces. Then I'll divide the furthest surfaces into 2 equal vertical sides and again apply an offset of 3 centimeters to complete the cabinets. After that, I'll make drawers in the middle 2 surfaces following the same steps as before. You can use a push-pull tool to give some bumps to the cabinets, which would make them look more realistic. And that's it for today's lecture. We'll apply materials on the kitchen counter, slab and cabinets in the next lecture. Well done, guys. I'll see you soon for our next lecture.